Today we'll do a little bit of a different video than I've put on the channel before. I thought maybe it'd be fun to record me putting together this desk that I got, so I've got a little bit more space. Kinda move some stuff around here, put that TV in the bedroom maybe, my Xbox, some stuff over there into the bedroom, so we'll see. I would do it in the garage where I have more room, but it's cold today and I don't want to do that, so. Along the directions, I would like to point out that it does specify we're attaching to F. That one has the F, the one we want. That one has the E. Might not matter, but hey, I mean, if it's there, follow the directions. So 2 H's. Here, form wood. Assume we're good there. Done. 4 of our K screws. Alright, so next we'll be connecting shelf E to the bottom point of these legs. These legs do have a certain way they face. Right here, there's 2 screw holes. They're going to attach with that I-beam to the other set of legs on the other side. And so they do need to be facing out. Alright, so this will need 8 of the L screws. Take your Allen key. And we'll take the other side. Now we'll move on to shelf F. We'll take this and tip it on the back. See? This one. Turn it. Adjust these pieces more to mix it. Perfect. Looking pretty good. That's where we're at. Before we attach these legs to the main shelf, we're going to take this bracket right here, G, attach it. Probably hard to see in the video, but I'm just attaching these 2 screws here and here, hold this bracket together, and now you can see, hopefully, we are one unit. Alright, one of the last steps, we're going to attach eye bars here and here. Final step, we'll be putting the desktop on. We'll be using the last 6 of the K screws. Set 4 screws here, they're closer together, and then 1 set over here. It's perfect. Once you get everything lined up, go through one more time, and make sure everything's tight. Allen keys are not my favorite. Boom!